Welcome to this video on compound shapes. It's going to be a quick video. I'm going to do 2 examples and you'll be ready for your assignment. Compound shapes are when we combine more than one shape and we want to find the area. So our goal here is to find the area of this figure. Now when I look at this figure, I see 2 shapes. If I make my own little line right here, I create 2 shapes, a rectangle and a triangle. Now the rectangle is easy because I have the 10 feet for that side of the rectangle and 17 feet for that side. So we know that if we take the base times the height, so 17 times 10 will give us 170 square feet within the rectangle. The triangle, we got to do a little bit of figuring out here. Here's our triangle. We know that the base of the triangle is 10. The height of the triangle goes from the base to the very tip of it. Now, if we know the whole length here is 22, and this portion of it is 17, then I can take 22 minus 17 and gives me 5. It tells me that the height of the triangle is 5 feet. Now the area of a triangle, remember, is either you can say half the base times the height or base times height divided by 2. So if our base is 10 and our height is 5, we get 10 times 5 is 50 divided by 2 means area of the triangle is 25 feet squared. Put them together, 170 plus 25, and we get the entire area of the shape is 195 feet squared. Let's try our next example. Here I see a triangle and a circle, but I only see half a circle here. So that is a half circle, and remember, area of a circle equals pi times the radius squared. So it looks like the diameter is 10 inches. The radius is always half, so the radius is 5 inches. So the area of that circle, if we had a full circle, is going to be pi times 5 to the second power, so that's 25. So 25 times pi equals, and we can round this, 78.54 inches squared. Now that's the full circle. That's if we had a full circle. We want half of that because we only have a half circle. So the half circle area equals 39.27. So that's this area right here, 39.27 inches squared. The triangle, I'll use a different color. There's our base, there's our height. The area of this triangle is going to be base times height divided by 2. So we have 14 times 10 divided by 2. And 14 times 10 gives us 140. Cut it in half. Gives us 70 inches squared. If we add it with our 39.27, that means the entire shape, the area of the whole thing, is 109.27 inches squared. You are ready for your worksheet. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask.